Banderas House by REA Studio in Nuevo Nayarit, Mexico. Casa Banderas emerges as an architectural endeavor rooted in the reutilization and recycling of a previous, yet unrealized, architectural proposal, adapted harmoniously to its new location in Nuevo Vallarta, Nayarit, Mexico. The act of recycling, in this case, has granted the opportunity to rediscover and reimagine the untapped potential of this project within an entirely novel setting. The core design concept of this project revolves around creating spaces that evoke a sense of refuge and privacy, seamlessly merging the principles of stereotomy and simplicity. In this vibrant urban tropical context, strategically placed openings and thoughtfully designed screens respond to the interplay of natural illumination and prevailing winds inherent to the region, achieving a delicate balance between interior and exterior realms. Commanding attention on the west-facing facade, a majestic screen wall soaring over 8 meters high stands as a sculptural element, adding depth and a touch of rose-colored allure. This feature not only evokes creativity, courtship, and tranquility but also bestows a symbolic dimension to the spatial experience, inviting inhabitants to immerse themselves in a visually captivating atmosphere. From the ground floor terrace, the indoor and outdoor areas harmoniously intertwine with the private pool and garden, conjuring an oasis of relaxation and contemplation. Materials and finishes have been meticulously selected, embracing simplicity as a platform for expression. Natural stuccos, neutral-toned porcelain, and uniform-grain carpentry. Emphasizing the prominence of vegetation, the interiors invite furnishings and decorations to infuse the home with its unique identity. This individuality presents a blank canvas, allowing inhabitants to personalize their environment, shaping a space that mirrors their tastes and lifestyle. Despite confronting structural challenges arising from its plastic proposal, and the long structural span of the double-height living dining kitchen space, Casa Banderas stands as a testament to creative resilience and adaptability. Tenacity and the pursuit of innovative solutions culminated in the realization of a logical, honest, and imperfect architectural endeavor, even under the constraints of a limited budget. In a real estate market often swayed by conventionality, Casa Banderas emerges as an invitation to embark on an extraordinary experience. Its palette of colors and unpretentious architectural lines herald a fresh perspective on contemporary architecture, where recycling and reinvention pave the way for spaces that inspire, connect, and ignite the spirit of exploration within architectural design.